6. The smoke alarm. Let's be honest. Complaining feels good for about 5 seconds. You get to blow off steam, feel justified, maybe even gather a little sympathy from whoever's in earshot. But before long, you notice. Nothing changes. The problem's still there, and now the whole room smells like frustration. Here's the thing about complaining. It's just a smoke alarm going off. Loud, shrill, impossible to ignore, but not the actual problem. The alarm isn't the fire. It's a signal that something needs attention. When you complain, your system is trying to tell you, something here doesn't feel right. But instead of finding the source, the fear, the boundary, the action you're avoiding, you wave a towel at the alarm and hope it stops. You vent, you rehash, you text 3 friends about it, and the beeping just keeps coming back. At some point, you have to stop fanning the smoke and go find the fire. What's really burning? What's the part you can own, shift, or do something about? Complaining without ownership keeps you trapped in the noise. Taking responsibility quiets it. Because the alarm's not there to punish you. It's there to wake you up. Takeaway reminder. Stop fanning the smoke. Find the fire.